This is OnePlus Nord 3, and today I will show how you can add sticky notes to home screen on this device. So first, you will need to make the pinch and swipe like that at your home screen, then open the widgets list, find the family of widgets that will say Notepad, Notes, or Keep Notes, something like that. So let me see if I have this section available. Don't have any notes widget to begin with. Perhaps there will be some, or here it is. So just drag it to your home screen, then drop it whatever you would like to see it at, then save the changes, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.